welcome back, guys, and welcome to Great to Code. If you are new here, then I will say that welcome back, guys. Great to Code, and here we going to talk about about stack. We have already talked about introduction and operation and implementation about stack. If you have not watched it yet, go through the Great to Code YouTube channel or the website and get it from there. There is a playlist available there, so you can get it from there. Now in this episode we going to talk about application of these text. So what the functions, calls and recursion, like expression type and backtracking strategy and other things. So if you're repeating, I am again repeating this thing, that stack is a linear data structure that holds a linear ordered sequence of the element. It is abstract data type. A stack word is a LIFO process. So last in, first out, last in, first out. The element that was inserted last will be removed first. So implemented the stack. It is required to maintain the pointer of the top of the stack, which the last element to be inserted, because we can access the element only on the top of the stack. Here you can see here, and here you push, and this is pop, push and pass, last in, first out. This the data element, data element, data element, data element, and this one is last in, fast. If I talk about the operation of the stack, then here you have the push item, then pop item, then stack and top. Push is something that operation implies the insertion of the new element into the stack. A new element is always inserted from the topmost position of the stack. Thus we always need to check if the top is empty or not. Top equal to max dash 1 is the condition to goes false if the goes stack is full and no more element can be inserted in the, even if we try to insert the element and stack overflow, this message will display again. If I talk about the algorithm, then step is to top equal to printed the overflow, go into the step 4, and then is set the top equal to top plus 1. Is set the stack top equal to element, and then step 4 is end. Pop. Pop means delete an element from the stack. So pop means delete an element from the stack. Before deleting an element, make sure to check if the stack top is null, top equal to null. If this condition goes true, it's meaning the stack is empty and no deletion operation can be performed. And even we try to delete, then stack undergoes message will be generated. Algorithm step 1 is like if top equal to null, print underflow, go to the step 4, and step 2 set valen the stack top and set top equal to top minus 1. Then lastly you have to do int. Now talking about peek, when we need to return the value of the topmost element of the stack without deleting it from the stack, the peek operation is used. This operation first check the stack is empty, top equal to null. If it is so, then appropriate message will display, else the value will return. Algorithm is likely to going to follow step 1. If top equal to null, then print stack is empty, go to the step 3 and the return stack top stack. Step 3 is likely to end. Representation of the stack. A stack can be fixed specific size or they can be dynamic. The stack size can change dynamically. It can be represented by means of pointer, array, structure, linked list. Empty list is like a top equal to minus 1, push is 10, and then here you can see the easily way is like a push and the pop button. Push is likely to insert the element into the category in the stack, and the pop is the removing the element from the that specific element from that category, from that specific stack size. Application of the stack. So what are the application? A stack can be used for the many things, such like a evaluating expression consisting of operand and operator. Stack can be used to backtracking to check the parenthesis matching in an expression. It can also be used to convert one form of the expression to another form. It can be used to systematic memory management. What are the advantage of this stack? A stack help to manage. A stack is help to manage the data in the last in first out method. When the variable is not used outside the function in any program, the stack can be used. It allows you to control and handle memory allocation and deallocation. It helps to automatically clean up the object. Disadvantage of this stack: it is difficult to stack to create many objects as it increases the risk and the stack overflow. It has very limited memory. In stack, random access is not possible. Okay, so last things, that application of stack. In a stack, only limited operations are performed. Because it's a restricted data structure, the elements are deleted from the stack in the reverse order. So following are the application of stack: expression evolution, expression conversion, infix to postfix, infix to prefix, postfix to infix, prefix to infix, backtracking, memory management. Now talking about expression representation, there are the three popular methods used to representation of an expression: infix, a plus b operator between operand, okay, and prefix plus ab operator before operands, postfix ab plus operator after operand. So remember these three popular method representation of an expression: infix, prefix, postfix, a plus b plus ab plus operator between operand, operator before operand, operator after operand. So operator between operands, operator before operand, operator after operand, infix, prefix, postfix. What are the conversion of infix to postfix? So algorithm for infix to postfix: consider the next element in the input. If the operand displayed, if it is opening parenthesis, insert into the stack. Step 4: if the operator then stack is empty, insert operator on stack, top of the stack, and parenthesis operator on stack. It has a higher priority than the top of the stack, insert the operation on stack, else delete the operator from the stack and display it. Repeat step 4. Here are the table for you to evaluation of infix of postfix. Expression stack output 3 empty 3 hashtag 3. So you can remember this and you can watch, take a screenshot of this image and remember. Here is the example of the program for infix to postfix conversion. I am not going to talk more about it. You can take a screenshot of it and learn again. In case hashtag include studio.h, hashtag include .ctype.h, hashtag define size 50. You can see these examples. I am not going to talk more about this because we don't have time. These are programs for the infix to postfix conversion. You can read it again and understand if you want to understand infix to prefix and more.